Anxiety is the worst part of owning an EV, but your Mercedes can fix that. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, so let's start by using the following screen, and you need to find here settings. So it should be located on the last screen of your Mercedes. Tap settings, and from list of settings you need to go to the system tab. It's right here. Choose the voice assistant, and here you've got some hidden feature under Proactivity. You can tap here and you can enable the range low. So turn on the range low. Now your car won't just show you a tiny red icon when you are low on juice. The system will proactively chime in, ask if you want to navigate to nearest charging stations. It finds the charger for you before you even have a panic. So that's the best way to use this Proactivity feature, and let's enable the range low to don't worry about your range. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.